mataas yung sexual attraction niya sa'yo, merong attraction, pero she doesn't feel safe around you, yun yung tinatawag nating bad boy. Okay? Again, kaya mas pinipili ng mga babae yung bad boy kasi nga may attraction. Again, they will choose if they are attracted to you. So that's why mas pinipili nila yung bad boy, ito, bad boy, kesa sa nice guy, kahit na si nice guy is safe and yung bad boy ay hindi, kahit alam nilang lolokohin sila, kahit alam nilang babaero yan. It's because attracted sila doon. Again, they want to choose. They are choosing if they are attracted to you. So that's why mas pipiliin nila yung bad boy kesa sa nice guy, sa friend. However, if hindi nila feel na safe sila, aalis lang din sila sa relationship. Kumbaga, pipiliin lang nila, tatry nila, ganyan, pero never sila magkakaroon ng good relationship. Kumbaga, you can't make a woman stay if hindi nila na-feel na secured sila sa'yo. Kaya, security is stay. Okay? So, ang pinaka-gusto nila, ang pinaka-fantasy nila is to find a guy na sexually attracted sila and also will make them feel safe. Kaya ito ikaw. Ito yung gusto kong mangyari sa atin. Okay? I want you to be her king. Kumbaga, she is attracted to you and also she feels safe around you. So, ibig sabihin lang nun is attraction is the key. Kumbaga, ito talaga yung una mo dapat gagawin. And security is the lock. This will make her stay. Okay? This will make her obsessed. Kumbaga, ito yung magla-lock. Ito yung magla-lock in. Attraction will open the door. Security will lock her in.